Hello everyone, welcome back to ITNEXT YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you, or I'm going to guide you on how you can download and install WhatsApp on your computer, and even how you can connect WhatsApp in your laptop. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe on this channel because you can learn a lot of techs on this channel. Let me start. Now here I'm on my computer screen. As you can see, this is my desktop screen. Now to get WhatsApp, all what you have to do, move down here and then click on Microsoft Store. This is the icon. If you don't have an icon here, just go on Start, then you search Microsoft Store. So click Open, but if you have it on your taskbar, just click on it. So let us click to open this app. Okay, now you can see Microsoft Store has opened. Okay, here you can see these are the most popular apps that people are installing on their machines. Here you can see there's a lot of apps, games, iTunes, blah, 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 blah. So if you don't find the WhatsApp app here, just click on search, then you type, like let me type WhatsApp. Okay, then I click on search. There is WhatsApp and then the WhatsApp beta. So now for this video, let me use WhatsApp. Now to download this app, just click on Get. Now, if you have a Microsoft account, here you can just click on sign in. But for me, if you don't have a Microsoft account, just click on no thanks. The software or the app will start to download from the store. Now you can see the software has started to download, and this will depend on your network speed. If you have a good connection, then it will take a few seconds to install. Now, here you can see the software or WhatsApp has successfully installed on my computer. Now, if you want, you can pin it to the taskbar. Like as you can see, I can pin it. You can pin to the taskbar. The app will come here to your taskbar for the quick access. Now, after that, click on Launch. Okay, now let me close this up. Okay, now you can see we have done with the installation. Let us go to the next step. Here, click on Get Started. Okay, now it's our time to connect WhatsApp to our laptop. Now we can use QR code scan. Like we can scan the QR code and then we connect WhatsApp from our phone to the computer. Or if you don't have a QR code, like if you don't have a smartphone, you can just click on this link and then you select your country, then you enter the phone number and then you click on next to give you the code, then you enter the code here, and then after you use WhatsApp without a smartphone. But for this video, I'm going to use a QR code because it's the easiest way if you have a smartphone. Now, this is my phone. Okay, now move to the apps and then open WhatsApp. As you can see, this is my WhatsApp. Now tap on these three buttons at this upper right corner and then click on Link Devices. Okay, now when you reach here, tap on Link a Device. Tap on this icon, Link a Device. Move your camera and then place it on your computer screen. It will scan that QR code and then you will see WhatsApp on your computer downloading the recent messages. So it's going to pick up the messages that I have on my phone to the computer. Okay, now this is my new number. I don't have chats into this phone number, but all what I have to do, just come here. Then let me search someone like ITNEXT is the number that I'm using for helping people. Now I can start sending some messages like hi. Now you can see you can do video call on this WhatsApp. You can do audio call. You can even send documents, like attach documents. If you are, as you do on your smartphone, you can send emojis. Even you can record the audios, like as you can see, I can click here, then your microphone, I can click on yes, then I start recording the messages. After recording my messages, I can click on send. So this is the best way to download and use WhatsApp on your computer. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and even leave a comment so that I can get to know what's your feedback on about this video. I sign out.